You move to a new country. You want to sell a couch. So you post it in a group chat with 4,000 strangers in a language half of them don't read. There is a better way. Ovdix, the marketplace that speaks your language. Posting takes under 30 seconds. Add a few photos and the AI writes the title, the description, and picks the category. You set the price. Done. Your listing is live and already translated. You wrote it in Russian. Your neighbor reads it in Serbian. And when they message you, you read it in your language. They read it in theirs. Both ways, automatically. Search by distance, by category, by price. Everything around you, not everything in the country. Local makers get a storefront, home food, repairs, tutors, movers. Free to use, web, iOS, and Android, Serbia first, and wherever you move next. Stop posting into the void, post on Ovdix.